Today.
Sir, mango round and sir,
Yes.
mango round. Sir,
Mangoes.
mango round.
Yes. Today we are going to revise our chapter Mangoes Round the Ear. है ना?
Yes.
Very good. So students, are you all ready with your textbook?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for a while, I am going to mute you all, and one by one, you will get chance to read the chapter. Okay. So it will be your reading test also. Here I can see Ashwani Yadav. Ashwani Yadav, unmute yourself now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And do you have your textbook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Will you start reading now? Your chapter, Mangoes Round the Ear. What does it mean? What does it mean, mangoes round the ear? Have you ever enjoyed mangoes?
Yes, sir.
In which season?
Summer season.
Summer. Is it possible to eat mangoes in winter season even? Is it possible to eat mangoes,
No,
to
sir.
enjoy delicious mangoes, to have taste of mangoes in winter season?
No, sir.
No. But here we are going to make it possible in this chapter. है ना? By preserving food items. है ना? भोजन को सुरक्षित रख करके उनके सीजन के बीत जाने के बाद भी किस तरह से हम उनका उपयोग कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन यूज देम इवन आफ्टर द सीजन of the particular fruit. Here we are talking about mangoes. That's why the name of the chapter is given here, Mangoes Round the Ear. Means we are going to make it possible that how we can use mangoes whole year. Is it clear? Is it clear? Ashwani?
Yes,
Ashwani, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then start reading. Here some, you can see picture of some children. Neetu, Aman, Preeti, and they are talking to each other. ये आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं. Can you tell me what Neetu is saying? Neetu क्या कह रही
Yes,
है?
sir. Neetu. Wow. Amma's lunch box has sweet pieces.
Puris,
Puris.
है ना? Wow!
Aman.
Exclamation. आश्चर्य व्यक्त होगा, है ना? Wow! Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris. Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris. Same type of expression which you have to show here. which you show after seeing your favorite delicious food item. है ना, बच्चा जो है यहाँ पर, जो नीतू है, उसकी मनपसंद डिश उसे दिखाई दी, तो क्या कहती हैं? वाव, अमन्स लंच बॉक्स हैज स्वीट पूरीज. अमन के लंच बॉक्स में क्या है?
Sweet puris.
स्वीट पूरीज. यस. देन व्हाट वाज अमन्स रिस्पॉन्स? अमन का रिस्पॉन्स क्या है?
Today Neetu has bought paratha sabji.
पोटैटो सब्जी. और अमन क्या कहते हैं? इनको आलू की सब्जी वही पर. हे, टुडे नीतू हैज ब्रॉट पोटैटो सब्जी. आज नीतू आलू की सब्जी लाई है ना. नाउ व्हाट प्रीति इज सेइंग हियर?
I have got bhindi.
आई हैव गॉट भिंडी.
Bhindi.
और मेरे पास भिंडी है. आई हैव गॉट भिंडी.
Bhindi.
है ना. सो रीड अगेन व्हाट नीतू इज सेइंग. सॉरी, नॉट नीतू, अमन. अमन क्या कह रहे हैं? और एक बार.
Oh, Neetu, I think you potato sabji in spoiled.
Yes, just after seeing, he is able to recognize that potato sabji is spoiled. Just after seeing the sabji, केवल सब्जी को देख करके, even before eating, he has recognized that the sabji, potato sabji, bought by Neetu is spoiled. खराब हो चुकी है. Who is saying here? Aman. Oh, Neetu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. Then, what Priti is saying here?
Do not eat that. You may fall sick. Here
do not
you
eat that.
take some bhindi.
Do not eat that. You may fall sick. Here, you take some bhindi. आप अपनी आलू की सब्जी मत खाइए, आप बीमार हो सकते हो. If we eat spoiled food, what will happen? What will happen if we eat spoiled food?
सब बीमार हो सकते
Yes,
हैं.
we may fall sick. We may fall sick. हम बीमार हो सकते हैं, है ना. There is possibility, है ना. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we should avoid eating spoiled food items, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
चलिए, now discuss. Read the question number 1.
How did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled?
Yes. Can you guess? How did Aman come to know that potato sabji is spoiled?
By smelling.
Yes, by smelling. And have you ever seen spoiled sabji, potato sabji? कभी देखा है आपने खराब हुई आलू की सब्जी
Yes,
को?
sir.
कैसी हो जाती
Yes,
है?
sir.
कैसी हो जाती है?
Sir.
What changes
sir,
take
नरम-
place?
नरम-
It becomes
sir, उसका
sticky.
रंग भी बिगड़ जाता
थोड़ी सी
है.
चिपचिपी हो जाती है.
Yes,
अगर
sir.
आप टच करो तो कैसा होगा? चिपचिपा हो जाता है ना,
चिपचिपी हो जाएगी.
स्टिकी.
Yes, sir.
सो कलर में भी कुछ डिफरेंस होगा, है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
हाँ.
So after looking at the sabji, you can recognize that the sabji is spoiled or not. Okay. So are you able to answer that how Aman
Yes,
come to know that potato sabji is spoiled?
Yes,
After
sir.
seeing, after smelling it, है ना, or by touching it. If you will touch spoiled sabji, you will feel sticky. Its color may change if it is spoiled, and a bad smell will start coming from the spoiled sabji, whatever is it. Okay. Now read the second question.
Have you seen some food that has got spoiled?
Yes. Have you ever seen some food? कभी देखा है आपने?
Yes, sir.
Which food?
Sir, chapati, sabji.
चपाती. चलिए, चपाती खराब हो जाती जब आपने देखा था तो उसमें क्या हुआ था? क्या चेंजेस हुई थी?
सब सर उसमें स्मेल भी गंदी आई थी।
स्मेल और
सर वो चिपचिपी भी हो जा रही थी और खाने में अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी।
डिड यू सी सम व्हाइट कलर फंगस?
यस सर।
हाँ,
यस
चपाती पे
सर।
अक्सर फंगस की ग्रोथ हो जाती है,
यस
देखा है
सर।
कभी? चलिए,
यस सर।
so have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled and how did you know that it was spoiled? तो कैसे आपको पता चलता है? Due to its change in color,
बाई। यस सर।
change in smell, है
यस
ना?
सर।
And you can also recognize it by touching it. If you touch, you will feel soft, sticky, है ना?
यस
Or
सर।
after seeing, you can observe it, its different color. Okay.
यस सर।
Now read the third question.
Pretty told Neetu not to eat the potato sabji. What
Hmm.
would have happened if she had
Eaten it.
eaten it?
हाँ. प्रीति टोल्ड नीतू. प्रीति ने नीतू को एडवाइस किया, बताया. क्या बताया? डू नॉट ईट पोटैटो सब्जी. शी एडवाइज हर टू नॉट ईट पोटैटो सब्जी. आप आलू की सब्जी मत खाइए बिकॉज इट इज स्पॉइल्ड. व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड? क्या हुआ होता? व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड? क्या हुआ होता? Isn't it? If she had eaten it, अगर वो खा ली होती. Can you guess?
Yes sir.
हाँ बताइए.
Sir, it is stick.
She would have fallen sick. बीमार
Sick.
पड़ गई होती, है ना? क्या हुआ होता?
Yes sir.
वो बीमार
Sir,
पड़
वो
गई होती.
पड़ गई रहती.
Yes. So on this page we discussed that how can we recognize spoiled food items and what will happen if we eat spoiled food. अगर हम खराब भोजन खाएं तो क्या हो सकता है, ये भी हमने जाना है ना.
Yes sir.
Okay students, it is said here that we should not eat spoiled food. हमें जो spoiled food है वो नहीं खाना चाहिए, उसे डस्टबिन में डाल देना चाहिए. We should throw it in dustbin. But sometime children like you used to waste the food, even the food which is not spoiled. जो भोजन खराब नहीं होता उसे भी आप अपनी थाली में लेकर छोड़ देते हो. Should we behave like that? क्या हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए?
No sir.
No, we should not waste our food which is eatable. जो खाने योग्य है उसे हमें वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. We should take in our days only as much quantity as it is required by us. जितनी हमें आवश्यकता है केवल उतना ही भोजन हम लें. Isn't it? ऐसा करना चाहिए हमें या नहीं करना चाहिए?
सर करना चाहिए.
हाँ. And what else could you do to avoid wastage of the food? और फूड की वेस्टेज से बचाने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो? What can you do? Suppose in your lunch, in your tiffin, if you have bought some more chapatis and you are unable to eat it, what will you do? You may share it with your friends, isn't it?
Yes sir.
Or if someone has forgotten his lunch, you may share with that friend.
Yes,
If
sir.
no one is in need, you may give that food to some animal,
Yes sir.
है ना? Or if you are at home and some food item is left, then you may preserve it by applying appropriate method. आप भोजन को सुरक्षित रखने का प्रयास कर सकते हो उचित तरीका अपना
Yes,
करके.
sir.
For example, if we have some milk left after use, अगर हमारे पास कुछ मिल्क है, बच गया है हमारे उपयोग से, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will boil it to use it on the next day, है ना, so that it will not spoil, वो खराब ना हो, इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे? उसे प्रिजर्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Nowadays, we all have, most of us have fridge in their house. You can use your fridge to keep it safe, isn't it? ऐसा है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes,
तो हमें
sir.
फूड को वेस्ट नहीं करना है, लेकिन स्पॉइल्ड फूड को यूज भी नहीं करना है. जो अच्छा भोजन है उसे वेस्ट नहीं करना है, उसे डस्टबिन में नहीं फेंकना है, उसे यूज करना है. यूज करने के लिए हम अगले दिन उसको प्रिजर्व करने के लिए रख सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट डे यूज करने के लिए उसको हम प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं, isn't it? But if it is spoiled, we should avoid using that food item. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So what we have seen here, avoid eating spoiled food. है ना? And but on the same, at the same time, you should also do not waste, you should also not waste your food item, है ना? And avoid wasting eatable food items. Eatable food. जो भोजन खाने योग्य है, which is not spoiled, you should not waste that food. And we can adopt different techniques to fulfill our requirement. जैसे आपको अगर स्पॉइल्ड फूड नहीं खाना, उसको आप स्पॉइल्ड फूड को कैसे पहचानोगे? हाउ विल यू रिकॉग्नाइज स्पॉइल्ड फूड? यू शुड नो, है ना? हाउ विल यू रिकॉग्नाइज स्पॉइल्ड फूड? अगर आप पहचान ही नहीं पाओगे तो आप तो खा लोगे कुछ भी, isn't it? तो इसके लिए आपको क्या आवश्यक है? You should know which food is spoiled, and for this you should know that how you can preserve food item, isn't it? Now turn your page, and here I can see Arnav. Arnav, unmute yourself. You raise your hand. Arnav, unmute करो आपने आपको.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now will you read?
Yeah.
हाँ, बताइए.
Yes, sir.
Turn your page. Come on page number 36.
Yes, sir. Look in your
हाँ.
kitchen
Yes.
and window down names of
Wait. Look
food.
in your kitchen. अपने किचन में देखो. And
Yes,
what
sir.
is it? WRITE. What will you read?
Van.
Right. इसको हम क्या पढ़ेंगे?
Right.
Right. Right means क्या होता है? Now I am writing.
Yes, sir. Writing करना. Sir,
लिखना.
लिखना.
हाँ. So what do you mean by right? लिखना.
Sir, लिखना. लिखना.
और राइट का स्पेलिंग क्या है? हाउ विल यू स्पेल इट?
Sir, WRITE.
वेरी गुड. विल यू फॉरगेट इट अगेन? आई होप यू विल नॉट फॉरगेट. उम्मीद
Yes,
करता हूँ
sir.
आप भूलोगे नहीं राइट का स्पेलिंग, है ना? चलिए. नाउ रीड अगेन.
Sir, down names of food.
हाँ. आइटम्स. फूड आइटम्स.
They.
THAT.
Items. They.
THAT. What will you pronounce?
They.
Not date. It is that.
That.
What is it? That. That means वह.
That.
वह.
Wow.
जो दूर की
वाह.
चीजें हैं उनको हम कैसे बताते हैं? I like that pen. I
That
like that
pen.
pencil. I like that
That.
book. That book is mine.
That book.
है ना?
That
That book, this book. That means वह, दूर की चीजों को इंडिकेट
वह।
करने के लिए. ओके, चलिए.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो यहाँ आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do here in this exercise? You have to look in your kitchen. आपको अपने किचन में देखना है and write down the names of some food items that can get spoiled in
That-
2 to 3 days. आप ऐसे भोजन बताइए जो 2 से 3 दिन में स्पॉयल हो जाते हैं, खराब हो जाते हैं. Yes. Can you tell me name of some food items which get spoiled
Yes,
in
sir.
2 to 3 days? Yes, anybody? कोई बता? हाँ, बोलो. अश्वनी, you are raising your hand. बोलो. Can you name
दाल
some?
रोटी
चपाती, दाल,
दाल
Yes.
रोटी
Yes, it is not usable after 2 to 3 days. है ना?
दाल सब्जी
चावल,
रोटी
rice.
चावल राइस
If you keep it in your fridge, this item you can use it on second day hardly, but not on
Yes, sir.
third day. तीसरे दिन तो आप बिल्कुल यूज नहीं कर सकते हो, है ना? So in
Yes,
your kitchen
नहीं
there
कर
are
सकते।
number of things which are not eatable, which will not be in a condition that you can eat it after 2 to 3 days. 2 से 3 दिन के बाद खाने लायक नहीं बच जाता है ना? Can you name some food items that can be kept for a week?
sir,
potato onion mango
Yes, yes.
sir, potato,
Green
onion,
vegetables sometimes we bring from market. हाँ?
sir potato onion mango
Yes, tomatoes, है ना? Once you bought them from the market, you keep them safe for a week to use them as per your requirement. अपनी आवश्यकता के अनुसार पूरे हफ्ते आप उनको यूज करते रहते हो, है ना? Raw vegetables, etc. Now, you have to name some food items which would not spoil till 1 month.
pulses spices flour
Okay. Even after a month, it will not spoil. Pickles, jam. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Anything else which will not spoil even after a month?
Yes, sir. 1 month.
हाँ. Can you name something? A few things.
Yes, sir. रसगुल्ला भी
हाँ? अच्छा बेटा, things which spoil quickly are rice, cooked rice, dal, cooked vegetables,
Yes, sir. Cooked vegetables.
है ना? If these are cooked, they spoil quickly. They are not in condition. They will not be in condition to eat them after 2 to 3 days. है ना? But if they are not cooked, if these items are not cooked, then in that condition we can keep them safe for longer period. Why is it so?
yes sir
ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Sir, rice
Can you guess what changes take place after cooking and before cooking? After cooking rice, dal and vegetables, there is moisture in these food items, isn't it? जब हम इन चीजों को पका देते हैं तो इनमें मॉइस्चर आ जाता है, नमी आ जाती है,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
White दिखने लगता है।
यस, मॉइस्चर मीन्स क्या होता है? नमी.
नामी
हाँ, नमी कहाँ से आती है? पानी से. तो हम पकाते हैं तो उसमें चावल में पानी डालते हैं, कुछ गीलापन होता है उसमें, लेकिन जो ड्राई या अनकुक्ड राइस होता है वो कैसा होता है? वो बिल्कुल ड्राई होता है, उसमें तो मॉइस्चर नहीं होता है, नमी नहीं होती है, या होगी तो बहुत कम, है ना?
राइस में नमी हो जाता है।
हाँ, और आप लोग जानते हो कि फंगस जो है हमारे सराउंडिंग में चारों तरफ फैले हुए हैं, जहां भी उनको सुटेबल कंडीशन
sir.
मिलती है, जहां भी उनको मॉइस्चर मिलता है, वहां वो धीरे धीरे इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं, और फिर
चले जाते हैं,
वो फूड आइटम्स को स्पॉइल कर देते हैं, है ना?
स्पॉइल कर देते हैं सर, खराब
Yes.
कर देते
So
हैं।
moisture is also an important factor. Moisture is
Yes,
an
sir.
important factor which makes food spoil. नमी भोजन में जो है एक महत्वपूर्ण कारक है भोजन के नष्ट
Yes,
होने
sir.
का।
नमी हो जाता है तो खराब spoil हो जाता है।
Moisture is an important factor which makes food spoil. तो अगर हम भोजन में से अगर हम इतना जाने कि मॉइस्चर के कारण भोजन खराब हो जाता है जल्दी, तो क्यों ना
Yes,
हम
sir. तो
ऐसा
उसको
भोजन
फ्रिज में
पकाएं जिसमें मॉइस्चर कम से कम हो। इज इट पॉसिबल?
Yes, sir.
अगर हम मॉइस्चर फ्री फूड प्रिपेयर करें
तब जो
तो उसको
खराब
हम
होने
लॉन्ग
वाला
टाइम
होता है
तक
उसको
यूज कर
फ्रिज
सकते
में
हैं।
रखेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा।
कैन यू नेम सम फूड आइटम्स? कैन यू गिव मी सम एग्जांपल which we can use
Yes, sir.
for longer period of time, for a week, even more than a week? Guzia, which you used to prepare during Holi,
Yes, sir.
है ना? You do not throw it after a day or a 2 day or even after a week. It does not spoil. Why? Why it does not spoil? Yes, anybody?
वो
Moisture. Same
yes,
reason.
sir.
Same reason. Because of moisture,
आपकी डबल आवाज आ रही है।
it does not spoil. There is no moisture in guzia, in
Yes,
ठेकुआ, which we prepare during Chhath festival.
yes,
हाँ?
sir.
उसको भी हम कई दिनों तक, हफ्तों तक इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं,
Yes, sir.
है ना? Because there is very little amount of moisture, है ना? बहुत कम नमी होती है उसमें.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, pickles,
बस वो भिंडी में नहीं होता है।
भिंडी,
Yes, sir.
if it is cooked, it will spoil. क्योंकि
Yes,
पकाने
sir.
के बाद तो उसमें
पका
नमी आ ही जाती है.
खराब।
We use water
Yes, sir.
while cooking,
So,
but before cooking, we can preserve it for more than a day or 2 days,
yes, sir.
है ना?
Hmm.
If we keep it in fridge, we can
Yes, sir.
use it even for a week, after a week. Okay,
Yes, sir.
चलिए. Now, here is an example. Busy is in the market and he had bought a packet of bread. But as soon as she got the bread in her hand, she rejected it. जैसे ही ब्रेड का पैकेट उनको हाथ में मिला, उन्होंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. Okay, who will read this paragraph? Here is yes, Ankita Yadav. Start reading it. Ankita, read it. बोलो बेटा, बुक है ना आपके पास?
सर मैं
हाँ बोलो.
यादव।
हाँ क्या अनुष्का यादव? ओके ओके ओके. हाँ पढ़ो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Aman's Bridge went to market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeepers
Shopkeeper. Just wait.
Yes,
Take care about your
Yes, sir.
pronunciation also. What is it?
yes, sir. Shopkeepers.
No, 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 no. What is it? SHOPKEEPER. SHOPKEEPER.
Shopkeepers.
Forget this part. Forget this part.
Shopkeepers.
Read only that one. SHOP. What will you get it?
Shop.
Shop. Yes. And this one?
Keeper.
Keeper. Now, what will you get it?
Yes, sir. Packet of a packet.
Now, read
of
it once
a-
again. Read it once again. What will you pronounce?
Sir, shopkeepers.
Yes. And who is shopkeeper? Who is shopkeeper?
Sir.
A person who sits on his shop. A person who
sir.
has a shop to sell different items. जिसके पास शॉप हो, अपनी दुकान हो, वही शॉपकीपर
Yes.
है ना? चलिए,
Yes, sir.
दुकानदार.
Pa-
Yes.
Packet of bread and give it to Bij. She looked at it and returned it immediately.
Immediately.
Looked at
Immediately.
immediately.
What do you mean by immediately?
Immediately.
What do you mean by immediately?
Yes, sir.
Immediately का मतलब क्या होगा? Busy returned the packet immediately. Busy returned the packet immediately, without delay, without being late.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So what do you mean by immediately? Without being late, at once, तुरंत. बिजी ने वो पैकेट तुरंत वापस कर दिया. She returned it immediately.
Yes, sir. तुरंत वापस कर दी.
हाँ. Why? Why she returned it immediately?
तुरंत.
हाँ. Why she returned it?
तुरंत वापस कर दिया ब्रेड.
Why? क्यों?
क्योंकि वो खराब हो जाता है.
Because
स्पॉइल हो जाता है.
हाँ, जो हो जाता.
Yes.
हो गया था.
हो गया.
हो गया
Yes,
था.
sir,
It
हो गया.
was spoiled. It was
Yes, sir.
spoiled.
स्पॉइल
It
हो
was
गया.
already spoiled. Okay. And
Sir.
how she come to know? How she come to know that it was spoiled? It is not in condition to use. How she come to know?
Huh?
Do you also take precautions while purchasing things from the market? क्या आप भी मार्केट से जब चीजों को खरीदते हो तो आप भी इस तरह की सावधानी रखते हो?
Yes, sir.
कौन कौन से प्रिकॉशंस लेते हो? और
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
आपको पता चलेगा कि वो चीजें यूज करने लायक हैं या नहीं है?
सर उसकी सर MFG डेट देकर, एक्सपायरी डेट देखकर.
Yes, very good, very good. Just when you are going to purchase, you should look at the packet. What is written on it?
Yes, sir. लिखा
On the
होता है.
food packets, on anything which you buy, if it is packed, some informations are there. Pieces of information are there. Some pieces of information are printed on the packet.
Yes, sir.
For example, you can check date of manufacturing, expiry date, weight of the
Yes,
content,
sir.
सामग्री का वजन कितना है, है ना?
What?
Its cost, maximum retail price MRP. These things are already printed on the packet. You will find, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So while purchasing these things, you need to check the MRP, date of manufacturing, expiry date, है ना?
एक्सपायरी डेट,
Yes,
वेट.
yes, weight also. Now,
Like,
read the next part.
sir, look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why Bij returned it.
Why BG returned it? So you can see, you can see on the bread packet of bread that some information are printed on this packet. बहुत छोटे हैं, हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं, but you can see it when the packet is in your hand. When you will get the packet in your hand. Okay. Now it is not visible, but you can see the information clearly if the packet is in your hand. Okay. So after reading this literature, she come to know that the bread packet is not in condition to use it, and so she returned it immediately. Now read the next question. Read the next question.
Look at the
How did-
picture of bread packet. Guess on it.
Why Biji returned it? है ना? So we discussed it just now. Read the next question.
How did she find?
हाँ.
Find that
How did she find that?
That bread had got spoiled. कैसे पता चला कि उनको ब्रेड खराब हो चुका है?
Yes, sir.
Sir, because
She may have
seeing
seen
the
fungus,
expiry date
which you can
MFG
see on the picture. हो सकता है उन्हें भी कहीं फंगस बाहर पैकेट के दिखाई दे गए जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख रहे हो. Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
spots on this piece of bread?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ आपको
दिखाई
कुछ
दे
spots
रहा
दिखाई
है
दे रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो what does it
Sir.
show? ऐसे spots आपको क्या बताते हैं?
Sir, the expiry
Growth of
date,
fungus has occurred. फंगस की ग्रोथ हो चुकी है इस पीस के,
Yes, sir.
इस ब्रेड के पीस पर, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So it is not in condition to use it. Is it clear? Now, Agyan Gupta. Agyan, will you read the next part? Find out.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, पढ़िए. Start reading. Yes. Agyan, बोलो बेटा. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, our time is also going to over. So I am going to stop it here. But before that, I would like to tell you that we have also done an experiment in which we made a piece of bread with. हमने एक ब्रेड के पीस को गीला किया था and we kept it for 2 to 3 days. And we saw that the growth of fungus was seen on the bread. है ना? We also saw growth of fungus on the bread when it was kept for 2 to 3 days. देखा था आप लोगों ने? So here is a note that how does food get spoiled? How does food get spoiled? Abhimanyu, are you listening me? Unmute yourself. Abhimanyu Singh. Abhimanyu Singh, unmute yourself.